What up, y'all? It is your boy Zach. Number one, most favorite Muslim world music fan. Number one, most favorite Muslim world video game fan. This is great news for all of you, but I am not doing them again, and I researched it up on the internet, and it's true. Before I get into this, pause this video, subscribe, turn on notifications, like the video, comment down below subscribed. I will give you a shout out. Okay, so, overeating, so like eating too fast can kill me. Here's the reason why. So long ago I did food challenges, and I did my last food challenge, did the pork ramen challenge, and did the egg sandwich challenge, but I'm not gonna do any more food challenges. Those girls are like, why? What's going on? Well, it's great news for me because I do not want to get myself killed. I do not want to overeat. I want to make sure I'm healthy and stuff. And basically, what I'm talking about is that I am not doing any more food. I am not doing any more food challenges. Both girls are like, why? So the reason is because eating too fast can be the cause of overeating. So, yep. I'm not doing any more food challenges. So, credits, comments, and the outro. See y'all in the morning. Love you all. And peace out.